Good morning. It's Saturday, the 22nd of July, and we're 2 mile in to an 8 mile cycle. We're hopefully going to dump the bikes, tackle 2 Munros, stay in the bothy if it's available, or wild camp. I'm out with Paul for PA Adventures. I'm out with Robert for Murchie's Mountains. I'm out with Dave for Along the Wellside, and our Brian Thompson Mountain Adventures. We left the car about 8 o'clock, left Glasgow at 3:30, so it's about 4.5 hours to get up here. As you can see, we're on foot. We've got bikes, but we're on foot. We knew it was going to be steep, so levels off up here, and I guess there's a steep as well.
Guess who just got back today? Them wild-eyed boys that had been away haven't changed, had much to say, but man, I still think them cats are crazy. They were asking if you were around, how you was, where you could be found. Told them you were living downtown, driving all the old men crazy. The boys are back in town, boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town.
Well, Paul kindly gave me a shot of his e-bike. That is something else. I'm still out of breath, but I cycled up the hill. Oh my god. He's not getting it back. Yes, has been cycling and mainly walking for an hour and 20 minutes. We've met up with Dave for a look in the Wellside. Dave left earlier this morning. Head start, so we've caught up with Dave, but the views are starting to open up. We're currently at the 380 metre mark, so I think we're another 50 metres or something. That's us at the highest point.
You know that chick that used to dance a lot? Every night she'd be on the floor shaking what she'd got. Man, when I tell you she was cool, she was red hot. I mean, she was steaming. And that time over at Johnny's place, well, this chick got up and she slapped Johnny's face. Man, we just fell about the place. If that chick don't wanna know, forget her. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. I said, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town. The boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town, the boys are back in town.
Let's look at the ball here. Delta.
Spread the word around. Yes, it's back in town.
Well done.
You spread the word around.
Down the wee road, but I think better room for us.
Aye, definitely.
That room's quite big there.
Definitely, I've knocked it off.
I think in here, Tom.
Aye. Aye. Enjoying that sandwich, mate?
not big enough.
So, just going to leave our bikes here. Easy tour at the bottom. There's our Robert.
Little fee, following you, following me, following him.
There's our Dave. Brian.
Loaded.
There's a wee room here. See, there's a guy in there. Paul and Dave are in here. A wee kitchen area. Stove. Gazzy. And through to the room at the back where me, Brian and Robert are. This is over here, so that's Brian's set up there. Robert there. And I'm at the back here. So all the kit's sort of nice and tidy, ready to go.
Putting my tongue so I don't fear confrontation anymore. So when we find I till all each turns
Just over an hour since we left the bothy. I've covered 2 miles. That's not a bad view, eh? Very, very still.
They play dead, don't they?
I see it.
They play dead, don't they? Kind of
Yeah.
feeling,
This is at the summit, the first Munro, Loch Moor, and that took us just over 3 hours to get here, and walking for about 5 mile, I think I've just done. Aye, cracking walk, cracking hike, weather's been fantastic. The views are phenomenal, you can see all the way at the sky. I'll show you on the GoPro, I don't know if we'll pick it up, but have a look there. So that's the sky, Cullen Ridge in the background here. That's the mountains of Torridon there. Where we come up and it can tail. Fantastic. Superb. What a day. So the next one we're going to do is directly over there. It's Bidian I don't know, I can't pronounce it, but it's known as the cheesecake, and that's it there. So we've left our packs down in the Beerlac, so that was quite easy coming up there. So we'll go back down to the Beerlac, pick our packs up, and then we'll head up there, and then head back down, and then down at the Bothy. That's us back at the packs. That's us on the 3.5 hour mark, so not bad. Heading up there. I want to take on some fluids. Some of the cheesecake. We're at the 4 hours 15 minute mark. That's us down onto the main path, and we're currently just coming up to the 6 hour mark. We're going to find a bit in the bottom. We're going to get a dip and cool ourselves down. It's been warm all day. I'm not complaining. It's been absolutely fantastic. Really enjoyed these 2 windows. I thoroughly enjoyed them. Maybe not so much a cycle, maybe I pushed the bike and it was a cycle, but the bits that you could cycle were fantastic. I think the moral of the story here is get yourself an e-bike. Paul's not done it jig time with the e-bike.
You're lactic acid your legs, you know, that's all gone after 5-6 minutes. You wake up in the morning feeling fresh and like easy.
He's working with horses, and since he's eating a lot of coconut stuff, he doesn't have any.
Whose water's that?
Mine.
For a wick, or does it have to?
These wrap trousers are pretty good, man.
Good.
280 quid for a parker off eBay and that. What the fuck are you doing that shit?
Although you're 50.
I know, 45, I was still quite young.
It's midlife crisis.
There's a good band though that we used to follow called Motley Crisis. Aye, Motley. If I stay with you, girl, life's just written by the sign.
Good morning. It's 5:30. Going to start, get packed away and get breakfast on. Cracking night. Cracking night. Good sleep as well. Really good sleep in the bothy. Very nice. Do a wee tour outside.
To get up this hill. See you later.
See you later, Robert.
Right, take it easy.
Cycling for an hour since I went to Bothy. Most of the cycle's over. I can see the car park, so I definitely recommend if you cycle in, it's tough, a tougher cycle in, but you'll benefit in the way back. Well folks, that's me done. That took an hour and 25 minutes to cycle back for the Bothy, which is pretty good considering. Fantastic weekend, thoroughly enjoyed it. A bit tough cycling in, I'm not telling you lies, it was tough cycling in, but you definitely benefit in the cycle out. Big thank you to Paul, Dave, Robert and Brian for making this a cracking trip. Also hi to Tom that we met, he's also a YouTuber, his channel's Lost in Transit, nice guy. And there was a German guy in there, Chris, that we met, he was doing the Cape Wrath Trail. Tom was walking from Land's End to John O'Groats. Fantastic achievement that, if he does that. But anyway folks, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.